My grandfather called me and my younger brother to assist him in a plot to murder my father. There was an overpowering sense of spirit of death that had now taken over me, and an ambulance coming to our house with my mom. Dad suddenly lost his mind and he gathered up all the pillows and the bed sheets and the newspapers, and on the other side of the house, he created this huge fire. All preparing for the funeral, as though some of the younger ones who were much older than me have began to sexually abuse me. Rejected, tortured, sexually abused. Now the oldest son, James, is living a life that is not at all what they ever hoped it would be. Walking into the bush, into a very secluded place where there is no other human beings in sight. A spirit of destruction have now come upon me, and that have driven me at the age of 16 to contemplate and plan on ending my life. Hello, my name is James Chapo. This is my story, and I pray that this story will inspire you, bless you, and help you to know that our God is a God who makes all things beautiful in His time.
LifeBridge presents JC Life Talks, Life and Leadership Lessons.